name is Ajay Yadav and I am from Alan Kalyan Khadepada branch. So in this session we will be doing something very creative. We will be making a model of a micrometer screw gauge using very simple things. So the components which we need are marker. So we have to make sure that the body of the marker doesn't have any printing because that will confuse us while making the readings. And then we need a small sheet of paper as well as a permanent marker for marking the readings. Now we have to fold this sheet of paper somewhat like this. So this will be act as a circular scale and you have to paste it. So this is how I have done it. I have rolled it and I have pasted using a glue, and this will act as our circular scale. So this is how it moves. This is the main scale and this is the circular scale. Now time to make the markings on it. So I have marked the readings of the main scale. So this is how the reading is: 0, 5 divisions, 5, then 10 divisions, 15 divisions, 20 divisions and 25 divisions. And now we have the circular scale. So in the circular scale it is very difficult to mark 100 divisions. So we are just making a model. So I have marked from 0 to 15 on the upper side and then till 85 on the lower side. So this is a simple model of a micrometer screw gauge. And now how to explain it to the students. So this is when there is no zero error. When the zero of the main scale coincides exactly with the zero of the vernier circular scale, there is no zero error. And when can we say there is negative error? When the zero of the circular scale is on upper side of the zero of the main scale, right? And when can we see there is a positive error? When the zero of the circular scale is on the lower side of the zero of the main scale. So this is how we can explain the students the concepts of micrometer screw gauge and how exactly it works. So this is how we take the readings, and it makes us very easy to explain the students the concepts very easily without making use of the actual screw gauge. Yeah. Okay, so this was the gist of the entire setup, and thanks for watching.